So I just want to do another quick video about a tornado striking Monroe, Louisiana. Now, there have been multiple tornadoes confirmed throughout the day. Now, this one is the first reports I've seen with damage. They said about 20 homes have been destroyed. Now, fortunately, no deaths or injuries have occurred, but unfortunately, 20 homes have been destroyed. It's going to get worse throughout the day. Instability just keeps growing and growing stronger and stronger. So everybody stay weather aware, pay attention, especially moving into Alabama now, and to the Carolinas overnight tomorrow morning. Y'all stay safe out there.